Hey guys, welcome to my beat processing room. And today we're making these diamonds, sapphires, rubies, and emeralds. Um, we're making them in here, an implosion compressor, and we're using the dust we get from our honeycombs like this. Works very well. The problem is it uses a lot of industrial TNT. So what I needed was a good design for an automated system that wasn't too complex. And what I came up with is this. Uh, my old system used grinders, and they were awful. Difficult to power. They used charge, very resource intensive to make. And what I substituted them with was these. It's a rock crusher. This takes cobblestone, gives me gravel, and a 10% chance at flint. You just saw it right there. That's being fed by this, an igneous extruder. This is basically just a cobblestone generator. You fill it up once and you literally forget about it. You don't have to power this unit either. Um, Up top here, we have pulverizers. This is taking cobblestone that's being fed up from this igneous extruder and converting it into sand. The sand is being fed into an auto crafting table where it's mixed with gunpowder in the right recipe and it creates TNT. That TNT is being fed over here and put into a recipe with the flint. Um, the flint comes from this pulverizer, which is being fed gravel from this rock crusher. Uh, these pulverizers up here also have a 10% chance of producing gravel. You can see that being fed down separately down this line. It just mixes up in here and they all get fed into that. Pretty easy to do. Um, I did mention the old system. I don't really recommend it to anybody. It uses these grinders here. And this is everything you need to build and power one of these grinding units here, three of them actually. It's really labor intensive. A lot of diamonds, you have to make craft packets just to make these diamond shards. I really don't recommend it. Uh, Furthermore, this is how the charge is generated for those. You can see this is a solar turbine and all the mirrors that it takes to heat this up properly. And you have to use lead wires everywhere as well. Really, really annoying. Oh, and since it's solar powered, it doesn't work at night. So I had to make a lot of batteries just to keep the thing going. Really, really troublesome. I highly recommend the rock crusher instead. Now, to make these, it's very simple to do. 3 blocks of steel, 12 pistons, and 12 diamonds as compared to all this stuff. So you can see it's a much, much better system. And in case I didn't mention it, these rock crushers are powered with MJ. So really nice. Now let's get this laid out properly. And that there. And that there. And that's it. You need 12 of them, just like that. And what we're going to do here, we're going to build a whole new one here so I can demonstrate how easy this is. Give me just a minute. We'll fly over to my site. I have a little platform set up. Make it a little easier to work. Just take a second to get there. Okay. Almost there. Okay, here we are. Everything you need for an automated industrial TNT machine. Uh, our rock crushers, of course, we're going to start with them. Our pulverizers, igneous extruders, auto crafting tables. Um, we're going to use an iron chest to hold the industrial TNT after it's made, and I'll get that ready to go. Wrench, an assortment of pipes, uh, standard stone ones, quite a few sandstone ones, 5 diamond, 4 iron pipes, wooden transport pipes, and 3 Antarctic gates. So I'll get to the rest of this stuff in just a minute. Okay, let's get started. First we'll start with, I'll go down here. We'll start with the rock crushers, the heart of the system. these laid out properly. And back up. There we go. Once all 12 blocks are put in place, this becomes an actual machine. So pretty easy to do. Next, igneous extruders. We'll get 3 of these placed. And on top of that, we'll get our pulverizers. 3 of them. Real easy. Diamond pipe while I'm up here. 3 of those. And last, our 4th pulverizer. Pretty easy. Okay, let me start with some stone pipe. Sandstone pipe, pardon me. It's going to come down here and over to here. 1 diamond and more sandstone pipe. Okay, perfect. Iron. I do need 1 here. Good. And 1 here. Good. I'll go back down. Now we're going to pull, everything gets pulled out of the bottom on these units. So our wooden transport pipe will go there. And I'll get that in place. There we go. Pretty easy. And made that to an iron pipe. Now we can continue the stone pipe around. Sandstone pipe, pardon me. Keep saying that wrong. There we go. And there we go. Oh, before I forget, our gates. There we are. Now, let me see here. If I'm not mistaken, this was a diamond. I'll come back to that one. Okay, let's go back up. Yeah. Auto crafting tables. I need 1 here. Okay. Pipe will feed that down. And a chest that will hold the Industrial TNT after it's made. Perfect. And up here is 1 of these. Perfect. Oh. Wooden pipe. Oriented the right way. And the right way. Good. It's there we go. Let's have a look here. Now, I need to run more sandstone pipe. Ah. There we go. And good. Perfect. Okay. Now, that goes there. What am I forgetting? That goes there. That goes there. Huh? It's all correct. I'm forgetting something. Not sure what it is yet. Okay. Let's power this unit. I'm going to use a redstone energy cell along with redstone conduit. And bear with me while I get that placed. There we go. There we go. And there we go. Pretty easy. And there we are. Nothing to it. Oops. Extra one. Now, I'm not going to set up a creeper spawner, so I just have a chest full of gunpowder here. We'll use that to demonstrate, and I'll get that attached as well. Just like that. There we go. Pretty easy to do. Okay. Now, let me just trace this path here. Gravel will come up. And I don't really need that there, do I? No, I don't. Let me have a look here. Okay. Flint, come in there. Gravel, flint. All right, looking good so far. That's where that needs to go. That one's proper. Well, you know, oops. I think that's it, guys. That does it for the construction. Now's the tricky bit. You got to program all this stuff. And we'll start with the igneous extruders. Pretty easy to do with these. Right click, right click, right click, and right click. You can see. There we are. Producing gravel already. Pretty easy to do, right? Okay, let me get rid of these buckets. Clogging up my inventory. And don't need that anymore either. These. This one will be for TNT. 5, 2, 3, 4. There we go. This one will be for that. And for that Industrial TNT. Oops. Items in inventory, energy pulse. Same thing here. Where is it? Oops. And there we go. And this is not proper. Get my wrench back. Get that adjusted again. There we are. And next, sand and gravel. I need to program these diamond pipes, so bear with me. Okay. I want sand to the yellow and gravel to the green. Gravel green, sand yellow. One more time. There we go. Now, this one, blue has to be flint. I did save one, good. And gravel will be black. There we go. Pretty easy so far, right? And that's ready, and that's ready. Okay. Now this one, I want the inputs to be from the bottom. That's the blue. There we go. Get rid of these, get rid of that, get rid of that, and this is going to be my output over here. That's where the gravel will enter and flint will come out. Pretty easy to do. Next, should adjust the outputs of this. not so bad. Same thing here. Basically, we just wanted outputting from the top and the bottom on all three. There we go. Now this one, input from the bottom and output like this. This will pull out the gravel that it produces as well as the sand and send it to the proper way. We need to do that for the other two as well. So close off these two and input. And there we go. And one more time. And there we go. Hey, what's going on here? Ah, it's not set up right. Okay. There we go. Give that a second. There we have it. Okay, perfect. I suppose I can turn on this too. Bring some gunpowder into it. And stand back and have a look here for a second. I think that's it, guys. We'll give this just a minute. See the gravel's running properly. We'll check down here. Check for creepers too. Jeez. Okay. Aha. There. And going up. Perfect. Any minute now. Oh, almost forgot this. Items in inventory. Energy pulse. There we go. Producing TNT. Good. And producing flint. There we go. Wrong pipe. Give that just a minute. Yep, it's working. There we go. We should have Industrial TNT. And there you have it. Alrighty, guys. That's the system. Works very, very efficiently. I actually make more Industrial TNT than I can use. So it's nice to have a machine that runs that well. And I thought I'd share it with you. I hope you liked it. And I hope you can use this in your project. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Hey, don't leave yet. I just remembered what that leftover diamond pipe is for. Let me show you. It goes right here. And get that out of there. And there. Flint is green. Gravel is yellow. Alrighty. I think that's what I needed here. Give it a second, make sure it works. Yeah, that's it. Okay, guys. Thanks again for watching. Take care.